Representatives from 25 Yelhoumee Tribes of Manipur gathered at Tantha Police Theatre in Lumphel to mark International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples with a vibrant cultural celebration. The event was a tribute to their shared ancestry and rich cultural heritage. The gathering highlighted the deep connections among the tribes through storytelling and cultural displays. Naga and Meitei or Meitei speakers shared historical narratives focusing on the origins of the term How and the significance of preserving their distinct cultural practices amidst growing globalization pressures. A key discussion point was the threat to indigenous culture from modern development. Speakers underscored the need for a dictionary of local dialects to foster better understanding and communication among tribes. They stressed that as global norms increasingly dominate the unique cultural identities of these communities, risks being overshadowed. The event featured traditional performances including Maibi Jagoi, Togol Jagoi, Maring dance and Kabui dance, showcasing the vibrant cultural attire and artistic expressions of the Yelhoumee tribes.